kwiragwo nayo ndoka imwe ndikihingaga irio kona ni ndingĩkĩhinga rĩrĩa marĩa makĩhanĩkĩte ngĩrĩ nyike ngai kũnyita ũgeni tũkĩnyitanĩre ũngĩkũmenyithagia ũrĩa bũrũri wa Kenya ũrakĩriũnga ũmũthĩ akĩrĩ nĩ tarĩki 21 mweri arĩ wa Kanyua hongo mwaka wa 2023 no mbere ndaya njĩtĩkĩria twambe twamũkĩre mamwe wa marĩa tũkũharĩrĩirie.
Na thĩinĩ wa Gikunjuro kia Mohoro,
watoto wetu watajua mashule yenye wataenda kabla waende for Christmas.
Mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo Bill Kipsang kuga atĩ maumirĩra ma igerio cia KCPE magakorwo makĩrekererio mbere ya thigũkũ ya Christmas. Onjoria kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot ya ithũĩro kwendekithia thirikari gũkũrĩria gĩtũmi gĩa gĩthĩnjĩro kĩa mũigana wa mamirioni ma mbeca kwaga kũrĩkĩrĩra mĩaka 10 thutha wa kĩo kwambĩrĩria. Na kumana na mũingĩ gũtegĩko na njĩra itarĩ ya kĩharĩro kwaya kũmacũngĩrĩra gũtũngagio ihera rĩa kuohwo njera-inĩ.
Aranĩria naniĩ na njĩra ya imwe kwa imwe kũgerera nenda citũ cia ũkinyanĩria gwa Facebook nĩ @Mũthingi TV, YouTube nĩ Mũthingi TV, ona ũngĩkĩoka akaunti-inĩ yakwa ya Facebook @Mũrugi Job nĩ tũgĩkorwo tũkĩanĩria ningĩ kwamũkĩra rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Mũrugi na tũkĩanjĩria na marĩa tũgĩkũharĩrĩirie nĩ atĩ arutwo arĩa maragĩkorirwo magĩikarĩra kĩgeranio gĩa kĩbũrũri gĩa KCPE magagĩkorwo makĩmenya maumĩrĩra ma kĩgerio gĩkĩ mbere ya thigũkũ ya Christmas nĩ kũringana na mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo Bill Kipsang ũrĩa ugĩte atĩ ona igerio cia KCSE cigũgĩkorwo cikĩambĩrĩria kũmakwo wona tu ciakĩrĩkĩrĩra no na kũrĩ ũguo nĩ akiugĩte atĩ ngero ĩrĩa ĩragĩtũngĩrio abitha ũmwe wa borithi rĩrĩa maragĩkoragwo kana mararĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũrangĩra igerio na kũrĩa aragĩkorirwo akĩũragwo nĩ yambĩrĩirie gũthuthurio. Oho akiuga atĩ arutwo arĩa kana arutani arĩa mangĩkorwo makuruhanĩte na gwĩkũĩrwo na gwĩkuruhania na ciĩko cia ũici wa igeranio nĩ magĩkorwo magĩthuthurio na gũtacũkĩrio ikinya irũmu rĩa kĩwatho.
Yes, Commissioner. Karibu sana. In the Lord. This is Mandago Secondary. Okay. Asante sana. Bado tunaendelea marking and preparing, lakini vile tulisema watoto wetu watajua mashule yenye wataenda kabla waende for Christmas. Siwezi sema mtihani itatoka kesho ama kesho kutwa, but I can say that we are on course preparing for our children to know how they have done. Yesterday we had a challenge. We lost a colleague, a police officer in CIAO. Investigations are on to know exactly the motive, what exactly happened, and therefore I will not want to go into details, but I know that our colleagues in the investigative sector and the security sector are seized of the issue, and we should be able to know exactly what happened. But we want to celebrate that officer because he paid the ultimate price while on duty to be able to co-create our children by ensuring that the safety of our children and the safety of the examination is protected. So we stand with the family. I know yesterday the Cabinet Secretary released a message of condolences to the family. We also lost the other day one of our examiners also who was marking examinations. And we thank these Kalan Kenyans who have given their best for our children. We also had an incident in Wajir yesterday where a chopper crash landed at the
gwitigirira ati ni ciage kana ni ciakigacirithia urigitani na njira ya kuigithia ruhonge-ini ruru niguo gutigirira ati utungata uyu no ikorwo ukigacirithio na njira igwete kuringana na kana na umwe wa afitha wa ruhonge ruru Henry Nyakundi uria wariti ari mwena wa Naikuru augite ati urigitani no wagiririo kugerera unyitaniri wa arigitani orondumwe na thirikari ciothe na makiria cia county.
Acting Director Inspection, Registration and Compliance Department in the Kenya Health Professions Oversight Authority, and this time we are having a visit to the Nakuru County Government, and the purpose of the visit is to explore areas of collaboration between the Kenya Health Professions Oversight Authority and the county governments. More specifically, this time round we are here at the county government of Nakuru. And basically the Kenya Health Professions Oversight Authority is a state department under the Ministry of Health, and it's an oversight authority that is providing oversight over the regulatory boards and councils under the Ministry of Health. And the functions of the authority are basically spelled out in the Health Acts, and one of them being coordination of joint inspections with the regulatory boards and councils. The second one is the resolution of complaints from aggrieved parties, patients that may arise during the course of provision of healthcare services. The other function the authority has is to oversee the execution of mandates of the respective boards and councils under the Ministry of Health.
The areas where we have explored to collaborate with them, one of them is the area of making sure that all our cadres that are operating within the health space in Nakuru County, they are all regulated. We have cadres that had not been recognized initially, and the essence of this collaboration is also to explore areas where these cadres can be recognized. Those cadres that have not been getting proper training in their areas of specialization, they also get that training so that we can be able to deliver quality services to the people of Nakuru County.
We discussed with His Excellency the Deputy Governor on the essence of maybe formation of the inspectorate within the county. This inspectorate will be able to make sure that the activities of the inspectors within the counties are entrenched within the system, and moving forward we believe that
nake muhunjia mwikirire moga kana mwikirire nganja niwe Paul Mackenzie hamwe na aruna ake 28 na magikuruhanitio na ikuũ cia 131 na umwe aria magikorirwo magikuira motito-ini wa Shakahora gũkũ nakuo thirikari ikihoya ihinda makiria ria nduku 140 niguo ikorwo igitabania kana ikirekereria uthuthuria iguru ria ikuũ kana wa thitango eno. Thirikari ni tarĩirie igoti ria Shanzu gũkũ ni mwena wa Mombasa kuhetukira mucirithania Yusuf Shikanda ati iri na wĩira mũiganu wa kuhingũrĩra ekwĩrwo acio 29 thitango icio. Ndeto iria itungitio uregani wa wakiri wa Mackenzie Wycliffe Makasebo itua ria kana ni akarekererio rigitanyo gukarekererio tariki 22 mweri wa Gatumu.
To warrant any further
$131 children are associated with the respondents before court or the respondents before you. There is sufficient evidence to bring charges.
Unnecessary detention of people under the excuse of taking DNA should not be allowed, Your Honor.
We have pointed out that the law permits detention pending completion of investigations and charge. That is POTA, Prevention of Terrorism Act. It permits up to 360 days.
Nayo kamiti ya Senate igie kigina ni cerete nginyagia bunge-ini ya kaunti ya Kakamega na ni itemi ria gutigirira ati ni magithurima tabarira itiganite cia uthii wa na mbere. Magitongoria ni Senator wa kaunti ya Mandera niwe ARIA Roba maugite ati ikinya riri ritikiumanite na uteti no indi makiri na muoroto wa gutigirira ati muingi no wakiamukira utungata ta uria gwathiriirio ni hindi ino kuria governor wa kaunti ino Fernandes Barasa akiranire thirikari ya kaunti ino gukorwo ikiriha mathire maria ikoretwo namo ma ene kandrathi matiganite.
We are not here on political issue, and it's important that it is understood as such. The issue of the good senator of Kakamega County, Boni Khalwale, or the former governor or the current governor has nothing to do with this. This is just a procedural issue of the Senate, and we are here for that purpose. And we would not wish to be dragged into the politics of Kakamega County, other than on the issue touching on pending bills.
My first responsibility when I came on board is to ensure that any pending bill is first and foremost verified. There was a verification process that was done for all the pending bills, and the works which Midland had executed to warrant payment for certificate number 1 that was paid last year and certificate number 2 that was paid early this year. This is in accordance with the payment process which was verified by the engineers. The other issue, Chair, I've already addressed the issue of Midlands. The perception of appearing favored, I don't think so, because what we inherited and what is on the ground, it definitely confirms that this is a very strong company, and the company doing the road is not the company doing, or rather, who are our landlords.
Aya tugithie na mbere na ni ati riu kuri na gikeno kuri andu aria maikaraga na mawathe na makiria guku kaunti-ini ya Bungoma thutha wa gukorwo makiheo uteithio wa ite cia gwitwara nicio wheelchairs kuma kuri gikundi kia Walkabout Foundation. Itanya riao ari guteithiriria aria othe magikaraga na wathe na makiria wa gwitwara. Kuringana na governor wa mwena uyu Ken Lusaka na uria ugwikinyitie mihang'o-ini ino ni akiranĩire gukorwo magikinyaniria uteithio wa ite kana ite 200 gwikinyiria muthia wa mweri uyu. No na kuri uguo aria mamukirite uteithio ni magathiririe ikinya riri makiuga ati ni mahaturitwo thina munene kana wa gukorwo magitwarithia na mbere mihang'o yao ya oro muthenya.
Bila wheelchair siwezi fika hapa. Bila wheelchair siwezi enda mahali. But wakati niko na wheelchair sasa niko Bungoma, from Laikipia County mpaka hapa. Sisi tumetoka Walkabout Foundation, as you see. Tunafanya kazi ya wheelchairs, tunatengeneza wheelchair na tunaweza kupeana every county. Kila county kitukubali sisi tunadili na every county, na Kenya hakuna ingine inapeana wheelchair for free, is only Walkabout Foundation. So sisi tunadili na East Africa.
Karo said nyinyi ndio mlikuwa njia ya kupatikana kwenda kule ili tuweze kupata vifaa ambavyo tumepata siku ya leo. And this is just the beginning, like you have been told. It's going to be in phases. We have identified more than 400. These are 100, and by February I know Karo tutakuwa tunakuja tena tutapata zingine na zingine na zingine, so that everybody with disability can feel comfortable. Na wale wako na disability ingine pia tutajaribu kuona kwamba tunasaidia wale wanahitaji miwani, those who need hearing aids, pia tutaona kwamba kubaye itakuli harala mambo toto hapa. We also want to assist you kupitia kwa bursary, scholarship na vitu kama hizo. Tuko na pesa ya disability, let us focus on them. Tuko na pesa ya pesa scholarships na bursaries, let us also focus on their children. Kama yeye ni mtu hajiwezi lakini ana mtoto ambaye anajiweza, pia let us also support them so that they feel part and parcel of this society.
Survey ambayo tunaita Special Programs Baseline Survey kwenye vijiji 236 vya Bungoma County, na survey hii ilikuwa inaangalia ni changamoto zipi watu wa Bungoma wanapitia, ili tunapofanya miradi chini ya uongozi wako Bwana Governor, tuhakikishe kwamba miradi hiyo ni miradi iliyo na malengo na si miradi tu ya kufanya kwa sababu ya kupitisha wakati. Na tunakushukuru sana kwa sababu majibu tuliyopata baada ya hiyo survey ni ya kwamba tulipata idadi ya watu 585 kwenye kaunti ya Bungoma ambao ni walemavu na wanahitaji baiskeli, wanahitaji usaidizi wa baiskeli.
Let's be kind to them and appreciate each and everybody.
Na riboti iyo ni iragituhe mweke twiko tugikiria oro hanini ngai kuririkania githii na mbere na kurumanirira na ithuĩ na kwaraniria na ithuĩ kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyanĩria gwa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, YouTube ni Muthingi TV, namba ya WhatsApp ni 0794544442. Ni tũikorwo tukiaranĩria njĩtĩkĩria ngĩkorwo ngĩgĩikĩria oro hanini ndũgathiore mĩtambo ni amu nĩ ndĩragĩcokeria na mangĩ maingĩ.
Ore murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ amu Muthingi TV nĩ irakuhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tuhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0777 572 358 kana ũtwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
Gĩbindi-inĩ mũrĩmi mũramati na niĩ Njoroge na hĩndĩ ciothe ngwĩraga njũkaga gũgũbundithia maũndũ megiĩ na ũrĩmi. Na taririkana tũragũbundithia ũrĩmi wa mbembe, tũgabundithia ũigi wa ng'ombe, ũigi wa ngũkũ, ũigi wa mbũri na maũndũ mothe mahana ũrĩmi. Hĩndĩ ciothe ũngĩkenda kũruta ũrĩmi kana kũruta wĩra wa ũrĩmi ũrĩa ũrakũrehera mbeca, ririkanaga gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩ Kenya ng'ima ũngĩgũbundithia ũrĩmi tiga Njoroge. Na ũmũthĩ ndĩrakwĩra ũmũthĩ nĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ũgũthomera na mikana gĩbindi gĩkĩ gĩgokaga kũrĩ we o Jumamothi thaa 8, Jumamothi thaa 8 thĩinĩ wa Muthingi TV. Wĩthomere, wĩonere na ũhĩge na ũrĩmi. Ririkana gĩbindi nĩkĩ? Mũrĩmi Muramati.
Welcome to Flamingo Towers. Flamingo Towers is an elegantly designed executive office complex. The building splits seamlessly into 2 wings, retaining 12 levels of Grade A commercial space with flexible interior arrangements and 6 floors of parking accessed by car elevators. Located along Mara Road in Nairobi's uphill area, Flamingo Towers boasts of panoramic scenic views from every office, 24-hour CCTV surveillance systems, fiber optic broadband connectivity, 2 high-speed elevators, MVA power supply with standby generator, and many more modern facilities. The building and its naming rights are up for sale. For more information, contact us on 0727 287 994 or visit our website on www.flamingotowers.com. Flamingo Towers, a product of Fusion Capital. Fusion Capital, rooted in the African growth story.
na nĩ twagicokeria tũiko tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na mohoro maitũ ma Gikunjuro mohoro na nĩ atĩ arĩ ta njĩra ya kũgathĩka mĩtaratara ya kũhũrana na wanangi wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie na njĩra ya ũitangi wa gĩko na njĩra itarĩ ya kĩharĩro. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kilifi gũkũ nĩ taũni-inĩ ya Malindi nĩ makĩgathĩkĩte mĩtaratara na mawatho ma gũtigĩrĩra ũrĩa wothe wakĩnyitĩkana agĩte gĩko na njĩra itarĩ ya kĩharĩro nĩ agĩtũngio ihera rĩa kĩwatho. Nĩ kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa Mihang'o wa mũthubari wa tauni ya Marindi Johnson Mobati uria ugite ati ni mariketie gukorwo makiiga mafufa maungania wa giko niguo guteithiriria hari Mihang'o ino. Akiugite ati ni makana magietereire tu ndereti ino igikorwo igikirwo watho ni governor wa county ino na gwituo watho.
Just waiting for the launch by His Excellency the Governor very soon, probably by the end of this month, ili tuweze kuzidistribute within the CBD, ili tuhakikisha kwamba kila mpita njia na kila mwananchi ambaye atakuwa katika mji huu basi asitaabike ama asiweze kurusha takataka hivyo vyote vile, lakini atakuwa kuna mahali ambapo pameegeshwa kwa sababu ya kwenda kurusha takataka yote ambayo labda utakuwa uko nayo ama umetafuna chochote na unahisi ubwage takataka, basi kutakuwa kuna mahali special ambapo pametengwa ili wewe uende ukaweze kuangusha hizo takataka.
Jukumu letu kama washikadau wa Malindi kuhakikisha kwamba mazingira tunayoishi ni salama na ni safi, kwa sababu kiumbe yoyote yule anastahili kuishi mazingira safi kwa sababu ya afya yake.
Our enforcement officers watakuwa wako very alert kuhakikisha kwamba ukipatikana unarusha takataka kiholela, then mkondo wa sheria utakushika.
Let's keep our finger on the pulse of the environment. Sababu najua with flooding hizi drainage zinafungika, maugonjwa inakuja, kolera inakuja, miti inaanza kuwa suffocated. So let's keep protect life, miti na binadamu.
Naguo muingi kaunti-ini ya Isiolo ni ugithingatitwo gukorwo kana ukihuthira njira njega cia gwiteithagia niguo gwithemana na guthia kioro o haria makinyira ni ritana ria rikitio ni maabitha ugima wa mwiri mwena uyu kuria maugite ati o wothe urinyitikanaga agiteithia na njira itari ya kihariro ni ari koragwo agitungio guoko kwa watho ni kurumirira kana ni kurumirira miturire ya muingi gukorwo ikigwo hatikaini ni giko giki maritie muthi kana maritie ari muthi wa ukungwiri wa cioro thi yothe.
Katika dunia 4.2 billion living without access to safe water and 419 million people practice open defecation. Watu milioni 419 wanaenda choo kwa vichaka. Sio ni shida? Hapa kila mtu anaenda choo. Si watu wengi wanaenda nje. Sasa practice kama hiyo ndio hatutaki. Tunataka hapa iwe ODF free. Tusiwe na mahali hakuna choo, hakuna mtu tunaweza weka hiyo target ya kwamba hakuna mtu ataenda kichakani kujisaidia. Mshikane na CHVs, muhakikishe kwamba hapa hakuna mtu anaenda kujificha kichakani kujisaidia. Kwa sababu wakati kama hii ni wakati wa El Nino. Hii ndio wakati mbaya zaidi. In fact tunafaa kufanya some policy. Mtu ambaye anapatikana akijisaidia kichakani hata akikamatwa iko shida.
Na tugithie na mbere tuhiuke nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Pokot ya ithwiro na ni ati aikari mwena uyu ni magei kana na wonjoria ni magithingatite thirikari gukorwo igitariria gitumi kia githinjiro kia mamilioni ma mbeca na kiria gikorirwo gikiambĩrĩria miaka 10 mihituku kiria giacungĩrĩirio gukorwo gitari kuringana na aikari aya maugite ati maikorirwo makiheo mwihoko wa gukorwo makiagĩrithĩrio na makiria wonjoria wa ũrĩithia wa mahiũ thutha wa githinjiro giki kia muigano wa ciringi milioni 178 ugikorwo gikiambĩrĩria mwaka-ini wa 2010. Reke tukorwo kiamukira riboti ino.
Hiyo ya Nasukuta yote tutafanya iwe industrial park and aggregation centers. Kwa hivyo hiyo ya Arakuko cooperative will form part of it. mpaka Nasukuta Abattoir mpaka ile improvement center ya Nasukuta. Area hiyo tumeweka yote iwe belt ya industrial development. Na ukienda hapo tumelima nyasi, tumeonyesha wakulima wa Chapararia na sehemu nyingine kame kwamba ni possible kulima nyasi.
Mimi nafanya biashara hapa mji wa Makutano, na mimi ni mmoja ambao ni mkulima katika sehemu hii, na ninafanya biashara ya uchinjaji ya ng'ombe. Kwa hivyo nataka kuchukua nafasi hii kushukuru serikali yetu ya county kwa kazi nzuri ambayo wanafanya pale Nasukuta Abattoir kwa mambo ya uchinjaji ya nyama na kuweza kusafirisha. Kitu ambacho ningependa kuambia serikali ni kwamba pale Nasukuta imejengwa na tunaona ni kwamba inaweza fanya kazi wakati wowote kutoka sasa, lakini tunaomba ya kwamba serikali iweze kutenga pesa ya kutosha kununua wanyama na kuweza kuziweka mahali pale, ili wale wafanyabiashara wanaopeleka ng'ombe kuuza pale Nairobi katika kichinjio hiyo kubwa ya Nairobi, wengine wanapeleka Farmers Choice, tungeomba ya kwamba serikali itenge pesa na iweze kununua ng'ombe ya kutosha ili tuweze kuchinja pale Nasukuta.
Tuhiuke nginyagia kũrĩa iharo-inĩ nakuo tũgĩikia kabirũ ũrĩa maũndũ marakĩgarirwo, na nĩ atĩ thutha wa timu ya Harambee Stars gũkorwo makĩhotwo nĩ timu kuma bũrũri wa Gabon na bao 2-1 kiumia kĩhĩtũku, mũthĩ wa ira nĩ maragĩkorirwo makĩganithia na kũrĩa marakorirwo makĩhota timu ya bũrũri wa Seychelles na bao 5-0. Bao cia Harambee Stars ikĩbungwo nĩ athaki Michael Orunga, mũndũ Masoud, oro ũndũ ũmwe na Runi nake, nayo ndagĩka kana nayo bao ya gatano ĩragĩbungwo nĩ Benson Omara ndagĩka-inĩ ya 73.
In this situation we was leading very clear, and therefore it was time also to give these boys their chance. Benson worked well and Nabi worked well, and therefore I decided not to play with experienced players in the last minutes, more with the young ones like we always do. So therefore it's, like I said, we are a team. Nobody can expect to play all the time. Nobody should think that he has no chance. If somebody is in our team, he should be always ready to play. These two matches home against Burundi and Côte d'Ivoire can us put in a very good position. And I think also now everybody realized this is a different Kenya, Kenya who is ready to compete, who is hungry, and who is not happy with any lose or whatever. So we are still a team which is learning. I'm happy now today also again some young players scored. Again we have a debutant, so it makes everything in the team better for us because of rivalry. And you saw also in this time when everybody was thinking who will be the next central defender, we lost 3. You see, then we put out Dennis and he has done a quite well job. So we have, I think, a good family now which will be ready for all the tournament. And like I said also before, to make it clear, this team will have this prime at the AFCON in Kenya. And then this team will show all Africa who we are. So now we do our best to make a miracle, but later on it will be nothing like a miracle. Then everybody can expect from us also things which was never done before in Kenya.
Na riboti ĩyo ĩgiĩ imwana cia Engine Fair tũgĩkorwo cikĩonania ũtorania mũnene wa ira, na tũgakĩmacokeria ngatho nĩ tondũ wa ũhotani ũcio. Nĩyo yagĩtwĩkĩra gaturumo ka marĩa twagĩkorwo tũgĩkũmathĩra na tũgĩcokanĩrĩria gũkũ metha-inĩ ya Mũthingi TV. Arĩ Gikunjuro kĩa Mohoro, ngatho cia mwanya mũno nĩwe wagĩtĩkĩra kũnyitanĩra na gũtwĩhokera o wĩroreri waku oro ũndũ ũmwe na arĩa magĩkinyanĩria mutamburuko uyu wa Gikunjuro kia Mohoro mundu gwitwo wa Mbui wa Njau niwe muhariria makinyitanira na andiki aitu a Mohoro mundu ugwitwo TK niwe kiuma mwena wa mwerekeri wakwa nake aizo kiuma thutha wa kindu gigwitwo graphics no itana kiumira hari undu ingienda ngigutiga naguo hihi kana ngikomeria ndukana ikorwo ati hihi ukimena kana hihi ukimena kaundu karia wikaga no konekete ge kanini kana hihi gagakihuthio ni tondu wa haria ukianjitie no ngagikuririkania we ndukana ke gukua ngoro na ndukana gugithimithania na Gikuyu akiugire ati bata wa mugwi ni ururu waguo nao ahuri aguo magioka magicagacia makiuga ati bata wa thabuni ni muhuyu ngatho cia mwanya muno tugicamania uria ciri kihanda thaa imwe cia hwaini ni iria kwa ni Mwangi wa Marugi.